and go. Hi, I'm Lily Ann Carey.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And this is video 2 of 2 for April 24. And we are going to cover the things that we did not cover last time.
Yeah, this was Intermediate Advanced Foxtrot at the beautiful home culture.
It is. So, starting, we finished off right here with that step through where we're stepping slow, slow. I'm going to bring her shoulder in. I'm going to push off with my right foot and go quick, quick. And then I'm going to drive forward, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick. To that, we added multiple quicks, but in a grapevine. So this is a mirrored grapevine. So we could do a grapevine like this, which is parallel. But this is a mirrored grapevine where we're both stepping through and we're both stepping behind. So it's a little bit more awkward.
That's that trick.
But it means that I have to lead those grapevines, right? It's not as natural.
I'm already going through, so the really exciting part is going to be the through lift back that we're going to do.
So slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Now my left foot's free. I'm going to square her up and I'm going to step slow, slow, quick, quick. Looks like this in time. Slow, slow, quick, 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 drive, drive, and quick, quick.
Yeah.
Then we did angled stair steps and half turn stair steps. I love this one so much. I think it's pretty easy to lead. I think it's pretty easy to follow.
Very socially leadable. Yeah.
Yes, and the thing that I would say for leads is the tendency is when you're going backward is to take little steps. You know, little backward steps. So just like we always tell follows, they have to reach from the hips, right? That's going to happen here.
Be proud of that booty.
My steps on the quick, quick are very tiny. Slow, slow, quick, quick, back, back, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, back, back, quick, quick, and I can finish it with the basic, all right? So then we had angled stair steps. On this one, this is a little more confusing when we get out into the rotation. So what I'm going to say is, it's not that important exactly where you go.
Just as long as you're clear about where you're going.
Yeah, you just kind of pick a direction, right?
But the idea here is that while we were doing full 180s, now we can go sort of part of the way, which ends up making a little zigzag or chevron pattern.
And that looks like slow, slow, quick, quick, we go to this corner. Quick, quick, we go to this corner. Quick, quick here. Quick, quick, slow, slow. And I'm going to finish this with a side together, slow, slow, and quick, quick.
We said we could do the angle, we could do the 180, we could mix them in, and then we could use it to our advantage. If we want to see that little spot on the dance floor lead, you can go get that with those backward glides.
I know, real estate, you know, it's like, oh my God, there's a huge space over there. So we can go, well, let's just go there. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, right? I'm heading here, right? And I had that choice. Okay. Then we changed rhythms.
We did.
But we did it still working from a slow, slow, quick, quick, right? It's pretty easy with the transitions. So slow, slow, quick, quick.
That's our basic.
Now we're going to rotate, and I'm going to rotate my body to the left, slow, and I'm going to step slow, and I'm going to do a side together. Quick, quick.
Down line.
Rotate, slow, quick, quick. These are push-offs, right? And also notice that I'm going to shade a little as I go.
That nice little angle.
So starting with the basic, let's start there.
Get a little running room.
So slow, slow, quick, quick, rotate to the left. Side together, right. Side together, left. Side together, right. Side together, slow, slow, and quick, quick. Back to our other rhythm.
We really talked about leads using their core, not just rotating our arms, but really rotating that whole body. And we talked about follows, really hanging into that and going with the rotation, not just saying yes and stopping, but saying yes and having that wonderful continuity of movement. That means leads. You have something to redirect. You got to really use those muscles.
Yeah, you have to use those core muscles. All right. Then we said we could put multiple quicks on the side of that,
We can do
right?
extensions.
So if I just do a slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I put 3 of these in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What foot's free? My right foot's free, so I have to do the same thing on the other side. I at least have to do one slow, quick, quick. I can also do the multiples. Slow, quick, quick, quick,
5, 6, 7, 8,
and
slow.
go. Which makes it very nice when you're starting on a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can change however I want to change back. All right, let's see.
Then we use that rotation as a wind up to get us into our wonderful rotary foxtrot, or lovingly known as Foxtrot.
Right, so if you've ever taken waltz, you might have done a rotation like this,
Yep.
right? To get
a
rotation to come
There's
around.
our rotary waltz.
Right. But in this case, where we have to have some function as well from something that's very linear to something that's rotational. So we're doing this to the
Wait to the left.
quick, quick to the right. And now I'm going to set this situation up where we've got a counterbalance. So
She's gonna rock step me, but then leave me there.
slow, quick, quick, slow, rock, step.
hold.
And now I'm going to step around. Same steps as rotary
She's
waltz.
giving me this pressure here
Yeah,
to say,
I'm-
stay there, be my rock.
And she's pushing back against
I
it.
am.
And now I'm going to go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, frame up,
Baseline advance.
side
Quick,
together,
quick,
and then
basic.
you can go back to one of those other variations.
We said that we were either going to be doing the thing where when we're facing line advance, we're putting our right foot out, but we're not weighting it yet because we're hanging back and letting our partner scoop around us. Then we've got a little down line, and then we've got that scoop. We're really thinking about zipping our body up, getting all the frosting out of that bowl, not cutting through the middle, but hanging through that, and then the little rock step. So we have that unweighted step, we're coming down, we have our scoop, we have our little baby rock step all together. We've got our slow, quick, quick, slow. Here we go around. It's my turn around. It's her
my
turn
turn.
around. A quick, quick, slow, and a quick,
finish
quick.
it up. All right. Then the last thing we did is we said that one of the lovely things about Foxtrot is that in faster music,
Easy.
it's easy, right? So if we're
Relax.
doing fast single time, step, step, rock, step, and ring. I'm getting kind of tired here, right? Slow, slow,
Oh.
quick, quick, slow,
Ooh.
slow, quick, quick. And it's so much easier. To get out of it, I'm going to use a tuck and turn.
So if we're going along in our foxtrot,
Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow,
Rock
quick, quick,
step.
slow, slow, quick, quick, and we are back to single time.
we were
step.
saying that instead of opening me up at all, she's going to really draw me forward, saying this doesn't feel like swing, and we're going to take all that bounce out and put some glide in it, and then when you're doing that tuck and turn, you can add a little bit of jaw back in.
That's right. Remember, leads, if I'm bringing my part, if I'm doing single time swing, we're pretty close right here. If I bring her in, she's probably just going to go, it's closed position, right? Because lots of leads do that. But instead, if I back up, slow, slow,
okay.
side together, they're going to go,
Hey.
yeah, something's different.
Yeah.
And I think that's it.
That's what we did. Awesome.
So remember, the other video is already up. We'll
Part one
put
of
this
two.
one up tonight or tomorrow, and you can find it there. Well done, everyone.
See you soon. Thanks so much, guys. Yay!